I'm gonna look good.
Damn, Jake Sand.
I just put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. Sauce, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. I just put 1,000 grams on the scale, I think I broke it. In my room, cracking seals, tryna bust this bitch open. She want me to fall in love, but I don't really think she know. And the nigga said he gangsta, he gon' really have to show. If I hit this shit again, they gon' fuck around that OD. Only cookie in my blunt, don't you pass me no OG. And that ain't no fucking runs, that's some bullshit you smoke. You can smell a purple punch in the air that shit poking.
Hey, what's poppin', G? Gangsta boys, Fuush nigga. Back with another video. Back with another video. Yeah, back with another video. Hey, I appreciate everybody that helped me hit that 1,500. Shout out to everybody that liked the last video I posted. You feel me? I showed major love on that one. You feel me? So I super appreciate that, man. Yeah. So we're gonna bring you guys another banger video today. And today is we're gonna vlog a little bit. You feel me? My exhaust tips are kind of effed up. So we're gonna go get those fixed. But first, we're gonna go pick up her Cadillac because in the previous video, if you saw the previous video, they were trying to tell me it's $1,000 to fix it. And I'm like, no, I'm not paying that, bro. I'm not paying $1,000. So we're gonna go pick it up and we're gonna park that effer, you feel me? And we're gonna figure it out from there as far as getting her another car because I'm not paying $1,000 to get that car fixed, you feel me? So, we're gonna do that, then go get the exhaust tips fixed, and then figure out what we're gonna do the rest of the day. I gotta go get some more fruits and vegetables, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you guys. I showed you guys my last video, my green juice. I'm gonna show you guys how I make it and what I put in it. But first, these right here, Dr. Sabi sea moss pills. Boy, got your boy feeling stupendous. You know, feel me? So those, I take 2 of those sea moss pills daily with my green juice. So now I'm gonna show you how to make the green juice after I set the camera. So give me a minute. Yeah. All right. First thing I do, grab my banana. Put my banana in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Yada eat. Yada freak. Then come in here. I grab some cherries. Organic, of course, you feel me? Grab some of those, put those in there. Then I grab some of these, you feel me? What's that say? Yeah, cherry berry blend, yes sir. Grab a handful of those, put those in there. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna take some of these organic mango chunks. Grab me a couple of these things, man. Yes, sir. Then we're gonna put all of this away. Then we're gonna grab some of this kale. I'm gonna show you guys the package though. This is what it comes. Organic Tuscan scale. We put it in here because we keep it in the freezer. You see it's right there. Because these are not refillable bags. So, we take some of this. Smash it down, get a nice amount in there. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we're done with that. Put that up. And the last thing we put in there is obviously our oats because this is our breakfast. As you can see, I eye everything while I'm spilling. Boom. That's done. Put that up. Then you take this. I don't know if you can see, but there's a line. You fill the water up to this line. Boom, water filter to the line. You take your top, put that joint on here. And you set it on top of the thing like so. Set that thing on there like that. Hit it. And then as soon as it start, I'm gonna get back with you guys as soon as it's done, show you guys the finished product. Ha! Yeah, voila, magic, yeah. Green juice, even though it's not green, you feel me? This is the green juice, this is the magic potion. This is gonna get you your energy, this is gonna get your immune system up. Daily vitamins, minerals, and the Dr. Sadie pills give you, what is it, 100 minerals, daily minerals? It gives you 100 out of 102 or something like that, so I'm vitamined up, you feel me? Try to get that immune system and keep it and stay strong, you feel me? So, let's get out of here. Let's go handle this business. Go grab this car. Let's go get my car fixed and then figure out what we're going to do the rest of the day. It's your boy, Fuush, man. I'll get back to you guys when I turn the camera on. Yeah! Alright, y'all. I'm going to give you guys this young cold start, babe. You know what I'm saying? Here you go. Footage of the car rolling. Can't even keep up with this goddamn car in this. Come on, man. That motherfucker looks good. Now does I look good? I'll be rolling. That motherfucker look good, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She act like she know how to drive my car and stuff. I ain't gonna lie. She know how to drive it though. I ain't gonna lie. Alright, man, I've never had any rolling footage of my car, so I figured I would get you guys, so, you know what I mean? Hey, them calipers look hard, bro. That orange look fire. That orange look fire. I like them calipers, bro. I picked the right color for them joints, man. That black brings out them damn Hemi orange calipers like a mug. You feel me? But anyway, I want to get you guys some rolling shots in my car. I want to have some rolling shots because I never had any rolling shots in my car. No, I got some. So, I'm going to catch you guys when I get to my destination of the exhaust shop so they can fix my ish. So I'm gonna catch you guys in about 2 and 2. You dig? All right, y'all. So I just made it up here to the Buc-ee's that did my exhaust tips, as you can see. So they told me it's gonna be like an hour and a half before they can get me in. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to swing that and sit up here an hour and a half. I told him I can go and come back, but he said they are first come, first serve. You know what I mean? Which I know, but so. I might have to come back next Saturday, but I told him I'm swinging back in about 45 minutes to see where he's at, because he says they only got 2 guys working today, and they got like 3 cars ahead of me and shit. So we're gonna figure it out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna head over to Dawson's house, give him a hand with something he got going on real quick. So I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to his house, and I'm gonna show you guys what he's doing, and then we'll see if we can get this exhaust shit done today, or we're gonna have to work till next week. So I'm gonna catch you guys when we get to Dawson's house. All right, y'all, so I made it over here. Look what he got going on, bro. He got this motherfucker. Right there, look at it. Got the big jack, He got the fucking jack stands. This motherfucker is going under some kind of major something. I don't know what he got going on, but it's major.
Only thing is, fuck, what was I gonna say? That one, like, the passenger side is off. It's just that bitch won't come down. Like,
oh, is that right?
I don't know if I gotta push the back end in to pull it down.
Damn.
And then I'm waiting on the tool. He's supposed to bring a what's that shit called? A universal swivel.
Oh, universal swivel.
So that way, cause it's a heat shield on the other one, and I can't get in there with.
So you get it from under. Oh, it's obviously underneath. Yeah. What side? This side?
On the driver's side.
But
the passenger side's off. It's just trying to get the driver or the passenger off. Like the bolts are off, but I need like a pry bar or some shit to. Yeah, that.
God damn. Yes, sir. You got something going on under that motherfucker, man. Oh, there we go. Okay, I got you.
It ain't really bad. It's just I'm trying to.
Boy.
You know what I'm gonna do?
That dude got to have that pressure, boy. Listen, if this motherfucker fell on top of him, it's over. That's why he got all them motherfuckers there. He got the jack still.
Yeah, it's over.
Man, bro, I can't help you at that point. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna check out what he's doing.
Jack to jack it up.
Alright, so now y'all see what he's doing. See, this came out of the cat. Boom. Yes, sir. So this it's out of this one. Hollow. I don't know if you can tell in this one. Yep, you can see that right there. Still gotta do this one. But it's gonna look just like this when he's done. So he's putting in some work. It definitely should make the car louder. That's what his goal is. That's the plan. It ain't easy. All these mods are hard, but in his video, make sure you go follow him on YouTube, 300s_DOS. Yep. Let me show you guys. It's the same as his Instagram. YouTube and Instagram. That's what it is right there. So make sure you go follow so you can see his build. See what he got coming for this thing. Of course, he got this wicker build. This is where I figured I want to do my wicker build. He got the same size wicker build. You know what I mean? So, we're gonna beat this other one out real quick, and then I'm gonna run over to Bucky's and see if I can get my thing done. If I can't get it done, it's gonna have to wait till next week, which is gonna suck because I don't like riding around like that. But let me help him with this, and then we're gonna get to it. And I'm gonna turn it back on. We get to Bucky's, and we'll go from there. Yay! All right, see, we in there. I made it back. They were able to get my car here. We're about to get that exhaust tips fixed. It's only off by like half inch, maybe. Anyway, so I'm gonna be happy because I got more bits to take care of. This is my mask for today right now. But as soon as I get done, man, I'm gonna show you guys the finished product. The sun is out, it's not raining no more, so that's a good thing. Too bad Dawes couldn't mod with me, but he over there taking off cats and shit like that, so his car is inoperable right now. So I'm gonna get back to you guys once they're done, and I'm gonna show you guys the fix exhaust how it should have looked the first time I paid money for it. No, yeah. Yeah. Yes, sir. Nice and even. We in the gang now. All right, y'all. So I made it home. Check it out once again, man. We are in the fucking game now. This shit is even, bro. I ain't cussing, bro. I can't be cussing. Nice and even, man. Yes, sir. What y'all think about that wicker build, man? Let me know what y'all think about that wicker build. But I gotta go grab her because we going to the store. Grab these fruits and vegetables and dinner. she's supposed to hear the car and come out, but obviously she want to play hard to get, you know what I'm saying? And they gonna lock me out on top of that. And you make me use my key to get in the house. You know, when daddy home, you run to the door and unlock it. Ain't that what you're supposed to do? Come on, man. Yep, just like I thought. Sitting there being lazy, she heard me come home, and she's sitting right over there with her head on her hand. Her head at all. You know, when I come home, daddy home, you're supposed to come, run out, and what you supposed to did? Like, what are you doing? You're outside of the car for a while. What are you doing? I said, as soon as I pull up, we out of there.
I thought you were gonna eat first.
I'm starving, but
Okay, well, I know you're very.
when I go, no, I'd rather go to the store and get it over and done with.
Alright, you know, being hungry.
Yes, I've been hungry for this since. What do I eat at like 8 or 9? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Getting my car fixed. Should have been done right the first time. Make sure you. Ain't no bloopers. No, first of all, you didn't let me finish what I was gonna say. I was gonna say, smash the like button, please. And if you're new,
Me, please.
smash the like button, please.
Mama needs
And then,
okay.
and then subscribe to the channel, please. Cause I don't know what's going on right now here. All that chitter chatter in the background. Subscribe if you're new. If you've been here and you already subscribed, hit that like button and then share it. And then when you hit the subscribe button, make sure you scroll all up, hit that bell all the way to all. So you're notified every time I post, anytime I do anything on this channel, you there. Because we're going up, I already told you that. And I'm trying to make as many videos as I can. That's my goal. So anytime I'm home, I'm picking up the camera and I'm just gonna go. You feel me? Yeah. Make sure you go subscribe to 300S, right? 300S_DOS. Go follow my guy in his build, what he doing, another Christ 300, his joint hard. That Destroyer Gray is, that color is hard, you feel me? It's the next best thing to black, you feel me? Black excellent. Blooper! I did a blooper. Black excellence, you feel me? Yeah. So, we gonna get out of here, go get these fruits and vegetables, get dinner. I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video, man, when I decide to pick this camera up when I'm off. Tomorrow I gotta work, so it's not gonna be tomorrow, which is Sunday. Today is Saturday. And then I work Monday through Friday. I don't know, but I'm gonna catch you niggas on the next one. Yeah!